this is a great blast from the past for you, Gina. This is 1948. Now, this is a precision optical grinder. It's got a series of slides here that you move to a position in order to get your angle so that you can grind your form tool. It's still in operation here at KWI Grinding at 1948. Now, an optical grinder means that basically I think it's a 50-to-1 optical vision that you can see in here on that shadow graph. So when you're actually doing your grinding, you can see right close up to the part that you're grinding. 1948. What a blast from the past. But not only the machine. What about this? This broom is actually the oldest broom in here, this one at the front. Now, this is actually 32 years old, would you believe? It's had 16 new heads and 12 new handles. But this is the oldest broom in the workshop. That's my blast from the past. Back to you, G.